Stinker. Can Daddy have a grape? Oh, Stinker.
Can Mommy have a grape?
Oh.
Can Mommy have a grape?
Can Daddy have a grape? Oh.
You want more grapes?
Can you eat what's in your mouth?
Yeah. Chew
Is it juicy? Can I have one? Oh, Stinker. Can Daddy have one, please? Oh.
What do you have in there? He's got like 8 in there.
No more, honey. You have...
You. Give Mommy one of those. Yeah, you're choking. Chew 'em. Dun, 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 dun.